Hello, my name is Corey Johnson and you're welcome back to CorieTips. Today I'm doing for you makeup with glasses. Well, I don't have my glasses on yet, but yeah, there you go. I've been wearing these glasses for a while now because I have dry eyes. So this protects me from the sun because it's photochromic. It just gets kind of dark in the sun, and it also helps me with wind, dust, and what have you. So today I am just, quite conscious of lashes being too long for glasses, because most of the time when I go for events or I'm going for a meeting or for an outing, I want to wear lashes. And I still need to wear my glasses. I can't wear contact lens because I have dry eyes, so I'll have to wear my glasses sometimes, especially when the place is so air conditioned, and so much wind or even under the sun. So it's not really comfortable wearing long lashes. And I'll just love to just let you guys know that it is actually ideal that you wear lashes that are quite natural. So you can see this, it looks kind of natural. It's not so dramatic and simple. It is long, but it's not so long that it will start to hit the lens of my glasses. So as you can see, I'm wearing my glasses now and it's so comfortable. I don't have to struggle with touching my glasses every time. Most of the time when I wear very long lashes, I keep adjusting my glasses like this way. But this glasses is kind of bent. It broke at some point and I tried to fix it. I haven't gone back to the optician to get something better, but as you can see, I am really in love with this look, as in it's just really gorgeous. You also want to make sure that you wear your glasses in a way that your brows are showing, and also make sure that your eyeliner is quite big so that it can make your eyes bigger. And then you also want to make sure that the color of your lipstick kind of blends with your glasses. It just gives it like a complement. So imagine if I was wearing like a very dark lipstick. It won't really matter because I have some black going on my frames, but I think it's quite appealing, when the lipstick kind of blends with your glasses. So even if you're wearing glasses that has maybe red on it or blue or green, you can just work with some kind of lip color in the, I think this kind of works, yeah. And then nudes, and I also think that red can also go with green if you're wearing green frames. I just want you guys to just feel free to be able to wear your glasses with makeup on. You can see I'm kind of closing my eyes right now, and you can see that my eyeshadow is kind of reflective. You want to make sure that you're wearing some reflective eyeshadow, that's shimmering eyeshadow, so that it can pop inside your glasses. And then even if you're wearing matte eyeshadows, make sure that your eyeliner is quite thick enough so that it can open your eyes, and then wear your glasses right here on your nose, and so we can also see your brows. I really hope that you love this look and also the makeup in glasses, and you can find it so comfortable to wear lashes in glasses. I really love you guys, and I'm so happy to be back to be doing this again. I just want to continue. I love you. Thank you so much. Feel free to subscribe and share, and let's go on into this video already. Okay, starting off with my brows with Eversheen pencil. I like this pencil because it's dark. I like my brows kind of dark, not too dark anyways, like black. So I'm just making tiny strokes, like feathery strokes, and then defining my brow underneath with my foundation, Super Stay Foundation by Maybelline. And then I'll be using my LA Girl concealer in Warm Honey for my highlighted area on my brow bone, and also use my foundation again for the upper part of my brow, and I'll just blend it. I'm using my spoolie to brush my brow in place, and then I'll be using my Pond's oil control to control the oil on my face, though I'd already moisturized my face. And then I'm applying my foundation again all over. This clip is quite fast because I don't want to bore you guys with blending foundation all over my face. I just want to make sure that I try to blend it properly under my eyes as well, and around my forehead, my hairline. Just want to make sure that some amounts of foundation gets to that area. I really don't like to apply so much foundation around my forehead. I just make sure that it blends properly. And then back to my LA Girl concealer under my eyes and my nose, my forehead, my cupid bow, and my chin. And I'm just going to blend. You want to blend your makeup, like everything has to appear flawless, so blending is very key. And I'm just going to keep blending under my eyes as well. I'll just keep going as much as I can under my eyes, and then continue. As you can see, I'm just doing that, making sure that it is properly done. Obviously, it took me a long time to finish this makeup, let's say an hour or thereabout, because I had to pick and drop products, but I had to shorten it because this is a YouTube video. And I'll make sure that I blend one on my nose as well, and just let everything settle in and blending together. I am using my Sacha Buttercup cosmetic powder under my eyes. I love this powder so much. I haven't found a replacement for it, but I've been hearing about the Huda Beauty Blondie. It's also fantastic, but I haven't used it. I hope to get it pretty soon. And I'm using my classic eyeshadow primer on my eyelid before I use my eyeshadow. So I'm using my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. It's like a mauve kind of color inside this palette and some purple going on there. So I'm applying this particular color on my eyelids and just make sure that I blend properly. I'm also taking this color, it looks kind of purple and plum, to contour the two sides of my eyelids as well, the outer corner. And I'm using this mauve color. It has like a champagne gold going on underneath, and I like the fact that it reflects, so it'll be able to reflect inside my glasses. It is a shimmering eyeshadow. I'm just patting it on my eyelids, and I'm using my Sacha Butter cosmetic powder for my brow bone to just give it a soft highlight on my brow bone. Then I'm using my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. It's a marker pen. I'm just going to make sure that I apply it and wing it. I'm doing the same for the other eye as well. I'm trying to apply some on the inner corner of my eyes as well, and then I'm using my Mabrouk mascara. This is like the only mascara that I have now. My Maybelline mascara finished, and I've been stuck with this Mabrouk, but I intend to still buy another Maybelline mascara. I really love Maybelline mascaras a lot. And as you can see, these are two different eyelashes. I picked the one on my left, which is your right, and I'm applying it because it's shorter than the other one that was on my right hand, which is your own left. So I'm applying my Milani powder on my face and blending out the excess powder under my eyes as well. So the reason why I used, like I explained at the beginning of the video, the shorter eyelash is so that it doesn't hit my glasses. So I'm using my classic blush and also applying my e.l.f. Cosmetic apricot highlighter on my cheekbone. I love this gold finish. It's like a rose gold finish. It's really nice. And then on my chin as well, on my forehead, just a little bit. And I'm applying some on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, just to give my nose that shine and make it look kind of longer. And on my cupid bow. I'm lining my lips with my pencil honestly, I can't remember the name because the name has faded off. I don't know if it's Kate of London or Secrets Cosmetics, because I bought some lip liner from those two companies a while back. And then I'm using this lipstick from Beach Cosmetics. It has like a gold metallic shine to it. Then I'm blending it on my lips as well. And applying some clear lip gloss from Victoria's Secrets, and I'm just going to blend really well. And then I'm trying to shape my upper lip with the pencil again to make it darker. And there we go, our makeup is done. I am setting it with my Rimmel London Fix and Go and my glasses. You guys, this makeup is, very simple and classy, and as you can see, I can still see my eyeshadow going on under my glasses. My brow is showing as well, and I'm ready to go to anywhere with this makeup look. I hope you love how I created this look and how you can also wear simple natural looking lashes with your glasses, and also try to complement your lipstick with the color of your glasses, because my glasses has some tints. I really love doing this look for you guys. If you love it as I do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.